How to post great photos on Instagram. At first, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Grid Maker. Now download and open the app. Tap on the Grid Maker option. Select the photo you want to split into a grid. Choose the grid size you like and adjust it. Tap on the number 1 photo. Select Instagram feed. Zoom out the photo. Then tap next. Now share it. Go back to the app and repeat the same process for the rest of the grid images. That's it. Your photo grid will now appear perfectly on the Instagram profile.